So hello everyone, this is MalwareChopper, and today I think about looking into more complicated JavaScript sample. So I searched in the malware repository and I found this, and I just found this code, and I was thinking of analyzing it. And again I think of why not recording it. So this would be the second video of our JavaScript series. So let's start. And my laptop is not supporting my headphone microphone, so I have to use my my mobile as a microphone. So I need to look on this OBS time to time so that my microphone is working. So please like, share and subscribe my videos and channel. So let's begin. So what I'm thinking is I'll just copy this. I'll just copy this code and I'll make a folder here, and then I will create a file called original.js, and I will open this folder with my favorite editor, and I will paste this code here. So maybe this code seems very scary to me. I'm pretty lost right now. I don't know what is this doing. So I'm seeing one variable here, and there is a if statement here, and then I'm seeing a bunch of arrays here. So basically when I'm analyzing this kind of samples, I usually like to clean up the unknown variables, and I like to clean up the unused variables and code tools. So at this time I don't know what this code is doing, so I will just use JavaScript beautifier to beautify this sample. Okay, I'll use this one. I don't know, maybe yeah, I will use beautify tools. So let me copy this beautified code here, and I'll go to my web debugger. Script console. Alright, so here is a bunch of variables. So I'll create one file called Deobfuscated.js. I don't know, it is detecting as a malware, so let's try this again. Okay, I want to remove this. Right. Yes. So how am I supposed to stop Defender? Okay, I'll turn off my Windows Defender. I want you to sleep for me. I want you to sleep for me. Where are you? Where are you? Turn off button. Yeah, here you are. Here you are. Let me check if my microphone is working. Yeah, it's working. So I will paste the sample. Let me see what is it doing. It is, what is it doing? I don't know. What is this variables? So I'm going to this and then again some arrays. So all these, 90% of this code is made of an array. So 90% of this code is made of an array. So we are dealing with this. We are dealing with the array. We are dealing with these arrays the whole time. We will be dealing with these arrays. We will be dealing with these arrays. I'm just saying one if, then a function. So what is it exactly doing? I copy all of these. See, so this is the close bracket of this array. So let me see if I find something. So before executing it, I wanna see if there is some kind of function like eval, so that I will prevent my PC from getting infected. If there is a eval function, then some script gonna run on this machine. So I'm gonna search for eval function. So there is no eval function right now. So eval, okay, it's eval 800 function. That's not eval. So I'm gonna look into this array. Okay. So basically what it is doing is, so if I click here, then this is the closing bracket and this is open bracket of this array. So maybe this is, here is 0, here is 1. So maybe this is getting 0th element from this array. Okay, 0th element from this array. That means IWD. Right. So this is creating a bunch of, so there is a bunch of junks in this array. So basically this is one array, another array, this is another array. I think what it is doing is doing something like this, krem. So I think it is doing something like this. It is getting zeroth element, that means IWD. Again it's concatenating with this array, this array. That means it is getting fifth element. That means 0 1 2 3 4, fifth element. And from this array this is getting 1th element. That means 4 5 6, and this is concatenating with this 4 5 6, right? And then again there is again a plus sign, then that means it is concatenating again with something that comes from this array. So let me see. So it's here. This is 1, and then 10. All right. Okay, this is from the 10th element. That means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 element. And here is again an array, and from this array this is retrieving the 1th element. That means OTT 5 6 OTT, right? Again it is concatenating with this array. So right, let me see. So I can see WScript here. WScript, that means maybe it is running WScript. So let me just put this. Alright. So we have after OTT we have plus again, and then we have right. Three and 1 UK. Okay, so this is the one element, and after this, that after this array, so after this array, look, after this array I am seeing no concatenation. I'm seeing no plus sign here. That means this is the second element of this array. So which goes like this. Okay, and after this I'm not seeing plus sign again. Then this is the third element of this whole array. So from this element, oh no, this is so where is a plus? That means seventh element. No, this is the whole array. So it's getting the seventh. From here it is getting the seventh element. 0 1 2. Oh no, I'm pretty lost right now. So let me just put this on the debugger. So let me just put this on the debugger. Sorry. So this is getting WS script and there is no reference to it. So what is it doing basically? So what if I put this WS script inside the double quotation? Okay, so if I log this out, so I'm doing bunch. Yeah, what I was saying before is this is a array and there is an element like this. There is CRIPT and then TY blah blah. And then it is getting one element from this array. So this is getting one element from this array. So basically this is getting WS script. So this is pulling out WS script from this array. So what we can do is we can just simply write for WCRIPT. Let me put this inside the double quotation just for now. CRIPT. Okay. And again here is a function and so here is a so this is a this is a function. This is a function that means this is a function. So what I'm thinking of is there is a plus, so there is a plus sign everywhere. So and after this it is concatenating with the with the other array element, and before this it is getting some element from this array. So what we can do is we can split these two array and put this, and we can put the other array into the new line, so that it will be easy to read the code. So we have already decoded this. Okay, we have already deobfuscated this, and we have got WS script. So what I'm going to do is I will take this out. I'll take this from here. I think okay, and let me just see if this is gonna work or not. Stage 1, there's so what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the whole file. To see if that's the replace for this missing files. Okay, so I'm going to replace plus and space, not in original. Inside this stage 1 I'm gonna replace this with plus and the new line. Okay, if I replace all of this, what do I get now? So so I don't need to go this way here to decode this array. So this is pretty good. So what is it doing here now? Okay, this is a function, I think. This is a function, or this is an array. This is an array, and here second element cr. Okay, 0 1 2, so that's 0. So this is equivalent, so this is pulling out cr, and then this is the 8th element. That means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is ea. Eight 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 te. So this is te. So this is making some sense. So it is creating something. I don't know what is it creating. So 7, that means probably this is this array. This is the 7 index, because every time when we search for this index we will get another array inside this. So maybe this is this 7th index is this array. Not this 7th index is this array maybe. Let's check it out. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, this array, and then ob. See, maybe this is a CreateObject function, because ob, it's a So it's getting fifth element 0 1 2 3 4 5 and then 1. Yeah, it's making sense. It's a CreateObject function, I think. So it is creating an ActiveX object. So this is creating ActiveX object. So eighth element. City, this is city. This is city. And this is JE. Alright. So this has a 2 parameter, one is class and another is server name. But I need Java I need this one. There is a CreateObject in JavaScript, not in JavaScript but in Microsoft. JS is limited environment. Yes. This is something running in the internal explorer. So basically this is getting so some several Microsoft application provides OALE, so which enables other application to communicate with them. So this is what it is, ActiveX object. So so this is creating an object and it is passing a parameter. It's a 8, and it's 2, and it's SC. So what I can do is maybe it's very dangerous to run all of this code inside the debugger. So what I'm going to do is here's the if statement. So I will search for the closing tag for this bracket. I'm gonna search for this closing tag for this statement. So where is that? Show me the bracket. Show me the bracket. So where is that? There's a variable right there. Oh yeah, there is a bracket. So this is inside the if statement. So what I can do is I can copy all this code and I will put this inside the debugger. I'm gonna open new. Let me see if my mic is working. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's working. So what I'm going to do is I will create a variable array and then I will paste this. And what I'm going to do is I will do something like this. Alright, I'm getting error, so I can't do up to there, so I need to break this out again. So let me see. We already know that this is a CreateObject. This is a CreateObject. So there is a. So let's find the parameter manually. Let's find this parameter manually, and then we will do that trick again. So where is the closing bracket of this? Here, it's here. So I'm gonna split here. What I can do is I can copy this parameter, and then I will go here, and then I will create an array. I'll paste this, and I will just enter this, and I will console this out. So this is scripting.file system object. The following code is how the file system object is used to return text string object that can be read from or written to. Basically, I think it is reading or writing. I think it is reading or writing the file. So this probably might be reading or writing the file. I don't know what is it for now. Just what we can do is we have got create object. What object was that? Create object. So we have got CreateObject and WS is create. Okay, now let's look for another chunk of code. Where are you? So inside this if statement, so let me find the closing bracket. Closing end of this if statement, so I can just copy all of this and then I want to clear this console. Let me see. Okay, there is an eval function. Current backups is not defined. Okay, this is the code. This is equivalent to this code. Yup, this is the function. So this is creating your anonymous function, and it's checking drive. So if this is checking if the file system of the drive is empty as of not. So, and type of history is undefined, in it is returning true, else it is returning false. So what we have got till now, we've got WC script, then we have got CreateObject, then we have got anonymous function, and then it's checking file system with NTFS. So that's why we are seeing so that C is from this array. So this one is from this array. So till now we have Deobfuscated to here. So this is it for this video, and soon I will create the second part of this video. Until then, keep practicing, keep trying, and please subscribe my channel, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Keep practicing, and I hope you like this video. So thank you guys for watching.